What if everything you believe about yourself, your body, your instincts, your emotions, and even the way you think is the result of a journey that began millions of years ago? Human evolution is not just the story of bones, fossils, and ancient species. It is the story of survival, adaptation, intelligence, and the extraordinary path that transformed primitive ancestors into modern humans. The truth about human evolution is far more fascinating than most people imagine, because it is not simply about where we came from, it is about why we became who we are. Millions of years ago, long before modern humans existed, our ancestors looked very different from us today. They were not fully human, yet they were not the animals we often imagine either. Early primates lived in forests, climbing trees, searching for food, and surviving among predators. Their bodies were shaped by the environment around them. Strong limbs, flexible hands, and forward-facing eyes gave them the ability to move through trees and judge distance accurately. These early traits would later become essential in the long journey toward humanity. The truth begins in Africa, where scientists believe the earliest human ancestors first emerged. Over time, environmental changes transformed dense forests into open grasslands. This forced our ancestors to adapt in ways that would change history forever. Moving across open land required a different way of surviving. Instead of climbing trees, they began walking upright. This was one of the most revolutionary moments in human evolution. Bipedalism, walking on two legs, freed the hands for carrying food, using tools, and eventually creating weapons and shelters. It also allowed early humans to see farther across the grasslands, helping them detect predators and opportunities for survival. What may seem like a simple physical change was actually one of the greatest evolutionary leaps in history. As millions of years passed, the human brain began to grow. Early species, such as Australopithecus, displayed signs of upright walking, but later species like Homo habilis introduced something even more extraordinary: tool use. Stone tools marked a major turning point. For the first time, our ancestors were not merely adapting to the environment, they were beginning to shape it. Tools changed survival completely. They made hunting easier, allowed meat to be processed, and increased access to nutrition. This improved diet, especially the consumption of protein-rich meat, likely contributed to the rapid growth of the brain. Then came Homo erectus, one of the most important ancestors in the story of human evolution. This species had a larger brain, stronger body, and greater ability to adapt to different climates. They were among the first to migrate out of Africa, spreading into Asia and Europe. This migration is one of the greatest truths about human evolution. Humans are a species built to adapt. From freezing temperatures to harsh deserts, our ancestors survived because they learned, adapted, and innovated. One of the most significant developments was the control of fire. Fire changed everything. It provided warmth, protection from predators, and the ability to cook food. Cooked food was easier to digest and allowed more nutrients to be absorbed, supporting further brain development. Around the fire, something else may have evolved: communication. Language is one of the greatest truths about what made humans unique. At first, communication may have been simple sounds and gestures, but over time, it became increasingly complex. Language allowed humans to share ideas, pass down knowledge, plan hunts, teach survival skills, and create social bonds. For the first time, knowledge could survive beyond the individual. This gave humanity an extraordinary advantage. Evolution was no longer only physical, it became cultural. Knowledge, skills, and traditions could now be transferred across generations. This cultural evolution accelerated human progress far beyond biological change alone. Eventually, Homo sapiens emerged around 300,000 years ago. This is the species to which all modern humans belong. The truth about Homo sapiens is that their greatest strength was not physical power, it was intelligence. Humans were not the fastest animals, nor the strongest, nor the most naturally protected. Yet they became the dominant species on Earth because of adaptability, cooperation, and abstract thinking. Humans could imagine futures that had not yet happened. They could create tools, build shelters, develop strategies, and work together in large groups. This cooperation became one of the most powerful forces in evolution. Unlike most animals, humans could organize in communities, share responsibilities, and protect one another. Social intelligence became just as important as physical intelligence. Another truth about human evolution is that it was never a straight line. Many people imagine evolution as a simple ladder where one species directly turned into another, but the truth is far more complex. Human evolution was a branching tree with many different species existing at different times. Neanderthals, Denisovans and other human relatives lived alongside early Homo sapiens. Some interbred with our ancestors, meaning parts of their DNA still exist in many people today. This reveals an incredible truth. Modern humans are the product of multiple evolutionary parts. The story of evolution is not perfection, it is adaptation. Every feature of the human body tells this story. Our opposable thumbs made tool use possible. Our large brains enabled reasoning and creativity. Our vocal structures allowed speech. Even our emotional systems evolved to strengthen survival and social connection. Fear protected us from danger. Empathy strengthened communities. Curiosity drove exploration. Human evolution is not only visible in the body, but also in the mind. The truth about modern humans is that much of our behavior still reflects ancient survival instincts. Stress responses, fear of uncertainty, tribal thinking and social bonding all have roots in evolution. Even today, our minds carry patterns shaped by millions of years of survival. But evolution did not stop in the past. It is still happening. Humans continue to evolve through environment, culture, technology and behavior. The modern world is changing how we think, communicate and live. Technology has become an extension of human evolution. Tools once made of stone are now digital systems and artificial intelligence. In many ways, evolution has moved beyond biology into culture and technology. The truth about human evolution is that it is one of the greatest survival stories ever told. From tree-dwelling primates to space-exploring civilizations, humanity's journey is built on resilience, intelligence and adaptation. Every bone, every instinct, every emotion and every thought carries the history of millions of years. You are the result of an unbroken chain of survival stretching back to the earliest life on Earth. The truth is not just that humans evolved, the truth is that every part of who we are today is a living record of that journey. And perhaps the most extraordinary truth of all is this: the story is still being written. If this video helped you discover the truth about human evolution, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more powerful stories about science, history and the hidden truths of humanity. Because understanding where we came from helps us understand who we are.